Hey guys, it's me again. For today's video, I will show you how to add your Amex credit or debit card or your American Express card to your Amazon account. So first of all, we will go to the upper right side of the screen. We press the drop down list here. Then we can see here account. So press accounts. So once you're in account, you can see a lot of Amazon features, your orders, login security, Prime, gift cards, business account, addresses, and many more. I want you to click your payments. After we click your payments, we can see here cards and accounts, rewards and balances. So we press cards and accounts. So here we see a bunch of payment methods: FSA, OTC, Visa, Star cards, checking accounts, or EBT. So we would want to add a credit or debit card. So once we press that option, go to your American Express card, which is here. Put the card number, the name on card, expiry date, and the CVV for confirmation. And press add to your card. So basically, it's that simple. So once again, thank you for enjoying and watching our videos. And rest assured that there will be more Amazon tutorial videos to come. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.